So what I'm going to ask you to do is go ahead and close your eyes. And once you do that, just go ahead and close them. This is our way to really get here together. Nice deep breath in and great long exhale out. And I'd like you to go ahead and keep practicing that diaphragmatic breathing, that belly breathing that we've been really trying to help you master. Deep breaths in through the nose, great long exhales out through the mouth. And let that belly fill up with that air. It's so important. Fill up with that inhale. That's right. So keep breathing. And as you keep breathing, I'd like to tell you something really important and really cool about the mind and how the mind works. The mind does not know the difference between being in an actual situation and being told it's in an actual situation. Now here's what I mean by that. If you told your mind with a visualization exercise that it was running a marathon and running very fast in the heat for a long time, your body will actually start increasing its own heart rate and might even produce sweat. In other words, you're sitting still, but imagining you're running, and your body will start having a physical, emotional, energetic, and mental reaction to it as if you were out there running. Now, what's so important about this is that we know that life sometimes has some very difficult things happening in it. Very difficult indeed. Some things that we can't necessarily control or we don't feel like we have a lot of influence over. And yet, we need to be able to feel peaceful, calm, relaxed, centered despite these things because they can't run our lives all the time. We get to take a break. If you're feeling stressed, worried, or anxious, you have every right to take a break from being so focused on those conditions that feel like it's causing that for you. And so why not tell your mind that things are peaceful and let your body, your emotions, your mind, your energy system enjoy the peace for a few minutes. Let's go ahead and do that together. I'll help you practice. As your eyes are closed and you're taking deep breaths in and deep breaths out, I'd like you to bring to mind just a very peaceful, beautiful place. A place that makes you feel relaxed and calm. Maybe it's your bedroom, maybe it's the beach, maybe it's a particular vacation spot, maybe it's hiking. Just imagine this really peaceful, relaxing place. And you'll notice that I think it's very important to engage your senses to really help your mind to relax. So go ahead and start using your eyesight with your eyes closed, but in your imagination right now. Look around and just notice what you see in this beautiful, peaceful place. Now go ahead and give a listen. What do you notice that you can hear in this beautiful, peaceful place? Now feel your skin, your hair, your feet. What do those feel like in this beautiful, peaceful place? And take a deep breath in through your nose. What can you smell in this place? What are you doing in this relaxing space? As you notice, perhaps the outside world hasn't changed, but it's okay to take a break and bring your mind to a place where it feels better. As a matter of fact, it's from this place where we're wiser and more energetically connected to solutions anyway. You're more likely to be able to help yourself along your way in your problems if you actually are coming at it from this emotional and mental space of feeling relaxed, peaceful, and at ease. Now, when I count to 3, you'll go ahead and keep this peaceful place with you, but you'll be opening your eyes. That's right. I'm going to count to 3. And once I arrive at 3, I want you to bring all of this peace with you in your body, even though we're opening our eyes and beginning to do our work together today. 1, 2, take a nice deep breath, then a great long exhale. And 3, go ahead and open up your eyes. And remember, it is perfectly fine to use your mind to take a break from everything that's happening and go to a place that feels peaceful.